In this video, I'll guide you on how to link your crazy domains domain to your Webflow website. If you have a domain from Crazy Domains and you want to use it with Webflow, you've come to the right place. While I can show you everything visually, listen carefully and follow this step to get your domain connected. So first, open your browser and go to crazydomains.com and then log into your Crazy Domains account using your credentials. Once logged in, navigate to the domain sections. Now, to access DNS settings for your domain, find the domain you want to link to Webflow and click on it. Assumingly, we have a domain purchase in Crazy Domain. So you should know now be on the domain management page. Look for DNS settings or DNS manager and click on it. If DNS management is not active, you might need to activate it first. So let's head over to Webflow and get to the DNS records you need to add. Log into your Webflow account and open a project you want to connect to your domain. In Webflow, go to Project Settings and click on the Hosting tab. Under the Custom Domain sections, you will see the DNS records that Webflow provides. You'll need to add these records in Crazy Domains. Now, to add CNAME and A records to Crazy Domains, back in the DNS Manager on Crazy Domains, you'll need to add two types of record, which is under the CNAME record is the name. You will put here the subdomain you want to use, and the second one is the value. You will put here the Webflow URL, for example, proxy.webflow.com, and lastly is a TTL. Just leave it default value or set it to 3600. The second type is the A records. Under that is the name and value. And after that, just simply click the Save to apply these changes. Now, to update Webflow with your domain, return to the Webflow Hosting tab where you copy the DNS records. Now that the DNS records are added in Crazy Domains, go back to Webflow and click on Check DNS Settings. If everything is set correctly, Webflow will confirm the correction or connection and prompt you to set as default for your domain. And after that, just simply click Set as Default to finalize the process. Now, DNS changes can take anywhere from a few minutes to 48 hours to propagate globally. You can check it if the domain is connected by visiting your website and verifying it loads correctly with your custom domain. And now, to test your website, you can visit your website using your custom domain to confirm your everything is working, and also make sure both the World Wide Web and the non-World Wide Web versions of your domain redirect properly. And that's it. You've successfully linked your Crazy Domains domain to Webflow. Now your website is live with your custom domain. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the YouTube channel.